Hello and welcome to Economics on the Move. A big news is coming from Russia. Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, has made the announcement that Russia is finally ready with its own coronavirus vaccine. They made the claim that they have done all the formalities which are related with the vaccine and they are about to launch this particular vaccine. This particular vaccine has been developed by the Moscow's Gamaleya Institute in collaboration with the country's defense institute. Vladimir Putin has made the announcement that they have made all the formalities, they have made all the kind of trials. The first trial began in the month of June, second began in the month of July, and third, the report of the 3rd July is still to come, and because of this reason there are number of countries, there are number of research institutes and there are number of experts which are making claim that this kind of announcement by Russia is going to have a negative repercussions on those of the people who will consume this particular vaccination. If I talk about the actual norms which are involved in launching or introducing any of the vaccine according to WHO, it takes almost 5 to 10 years because of the reason that this first trial, second trial, third trial has got lots of complicated issues. Complicated issues in terms of when we talk about the first trial, it takes almost 6 months to 1 year. Then if I talk about the second trial, it takes almost 3 years to 4 years, and finally for third trial to be completed, it almost takes 2 to 3 years of time period, and it consists of large number of people, millions of people who belongs from different regions of a country, who belongs to different age groups, and there are number of different characteristics that needs to be taken into consideration before finalizing a particular vaccination. The Russia has made an announcement that they are going to introduce this particular, or they are going to make this particular vaccination for the usage, first of all to the medical workers and as well as for the teachers and those of the groups who are quite risky groups, and they have made an announcement that this vaccination will be given to the doctors, and it is high possibility that it might start from this very month. Although the official, that is state registrar of pharmaceutical, they have made the comment that this official circulation will begin from 1st January 2021. Now if I'll talk about some of the economic issues which are related with this particular announcement of the Russia, we know that America has got a hegemony not only in the political sense but also in the pharmaceutical, but also in the research and development. So Russia was very much aware that if America is going to launch this particular medicine or particular vaccine, people will rely more on the America as compared to Russia. So in order to gain at least some of the profit, they have done this particular work, and they have made the announcement that around 20 to 25 countries have made the demand from Russia that they are in need of this particular vaccination. Now talking about India, India has officially made an announcement that before circulating this particular vaccination among the common people, they are going to form a committee, and this committee will look into the vaccination, will conduct a research, and after that particular research, the government of India is going to take a decision that whether they are going to give the green signal to this particular vaccination or not. So this was a small topic which is related with announcement of Vladimir Putin with relates to the vaccination launched by the Russia. In the past, we have done a lot of work on the economic impact of coronavirus COVID-19, and as I have already said in the past that this particular problem has got two impacts. One, it's going to have a medical impact, and the other one which is deeper, which will continue for a longer period of time, is the economic impact. And we have made some of the very interesting program on the coronavirus and its economic impact. So I'll request from everyone to just go and watch those of the lectures. So for now, I'll request to please spread our words by subscribing our channel. It's completely free. Share our channel. Tell the people to watch our channel. Tell the people that we are doing some creative work in terms of economy, in terms of economics. So stay blessed guys, and keep on watching Economics from the Thank you.